Hello everyone, I once again welcome you to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to take you through an introduction to Microsoft Excel. And yeah, let's get started. And here is our file that we're going to use as our guide. And yeah, I am Akello, the second fortunate gift, first year medical student at Gulu University. So let's dive right in. What is Microsoft Excel, you could be wondering. And Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program which is designed by Microsoft, and it organizes data in rows and columns, performs calculations, analysis, and visualization. This is just simple. Let's say you are a class teacher and you want to make report cards for your pupils or your students. It's going to be very hard for you to enter, let us say, the names of 200 students. Then you start computing in their marks, then getting averages, getting sums, ranking them manually. It's going to be very hard. So Microsoft is the program. Microsoft Excel is a program that will help you to make your work very easy in case you want to change the data, to convert the data of yours into graphs, into charts for analysis and other purposes. Microsoft Excel is here to help you. The Excel interface, unlike the Word that we already looked at, it has workbooks, it has worksheets, it has cells, and it has a formula bar. We will see all these things at the end of our presentation so that we do not waste a lot of time. And the workbook is the entire file in an Excel program. Just as the other side we had our documents being saved as documents, this time they'll be called a workbook. And the worksheet, which is this, is an individual page in an Excel program or in an Excel file. And then the cells are intersections of rows and columns. And then we have the formula bar where formulas are typed in case you now want to do other computations, maybe like getting the sums, averages, ranking, adding comments to your work. And the next is why should we use Excel? As earlier on I had said that it's very tiresome, it's very hectic to manually enter data and to manipulate them. For instance, when you're dealing with a very large number of entrants that you have to enter into the Excel worksheet, or if maybe you are to use other programs like Word, it becomes very hard and very tiresome to perform those calculations manually. So why should we use Excel? The first is for data entry and organization. When we enter data, organizing it is very easy through the use of features like sorting, filtering, and other more. Then you can also do quick calculations. We are going to see in the next videos how we can really have these calculations very quick through the autofill feature. Then we can analyze data, we can convert numerical data into graphs, into charts. And it makes analysis very easy. Then there is automation with formulas, also helps us to do very quick calculations. We will see in our next video when I am showing you how to do all these things. And then, for example, we have the simple calculations here where you can add values using this function, which is the sum function. I will show you later on how to use it. Right now it may be looking very new, but don't worry, it will be demystified in our next video. You can also see the function for finding the average is right here. We shall also use it as time goes by. Then we have the charts in Excel, which are used to turning numbers or for converting numerical data into visuals like bar charts, like pie charts, line charts, which is very good for reports, very good for presentations, very good for a lot other things. We will see as we go along. I'm going to show you at the end of our video. And now we have come to our summary for the introduction to Excel. Excel has just more than tables. It has a lot more that we will appreciate as time goes on. and it helps us in organizing data, calculations, analyzing, visualizing, and it's a very essential tool in school, in businesses, and in personal life, in case you want to draw charts to track your expenses, to track your cash inflow, to compare in case you want a graph to see how your business has been doing in the last quarter of the year, in your school, and you want to make your report cards as a teacher for your class, and very many other things. You'll find out that it's Excel that really helps us to achieve all this that we have talked about very easily. So in summary, I'm going to tell you that practice is key, and I'm going to show you how to open Excel on your computer. I'm going to show you how to create a worksheet, which is a document in the Excel, and I will also show you how to explore formulas and charts in later videos. So for now, let's go and open Excel. So the same way we opened Word the other time, you can come to the search bar and also type Excel, and here you can already see it. You click on it as we wait for it to open. Yeah, so we have already seen a blank workbook. We will click on it. Then these are the things I was talking about. This is a cell, and this vertical here is a column. Then the horizontal, the vertical having the letters of the alphabet, and then the rows are the ones that are in this numeric notation. And yeah, so this is a column, this is a row, that is a row. Then a cell is an intersection of a column and a row, and this is the formula bar we were speaking about. For in case if we had already entered in our data here, we would come and enter the formula or the function or whatever we wanted to, in whatever way we wanted to manipulate our data, we will now come and enter the formula or the function there. Then this is a sheet 1. This is just a sheet, is a page in Microsoft Excel. So this is sheet 1. In case we want another sheet or another page, we'll come and click on this plus sign, and we will see that option of a new sheet. Yes, let's see it. Yeah, so this was supposed to give us a new sheet. If you can see that small message down there, that's supposed to give us a new sheet. And there are so many of these tabs here for manipulating your data the way you want it. And this is our sample. I have entered a simple illustration here to make us explore all the parts, where we have now this text that we've put in. So when you want to there are very many features here. If you want to sort and filter, you come here. If you want to format cell styles, you want to wrap text, you want to merge and center. There are very many things here that we can do with Microsoft Excel. The formulas are here. There are so many things that we're going to look at in our next video. We've come to the end of today's video. This is what an Excel workbook looks like, and this is sheet 1, which is like a page. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned in for the next video, where we shall now come and do the real work. I welcome you. In case you're new to this channel, be part of us, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to comment.